morning, class 2. Hope you all are good. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. Today we are going to revise the story King Bruce and the Spider. So, dear students, open your English grammar notebooks and take out story The King and the Spider. Dear student, today date is Tuesday 26th January 2021. Dear students, we have key points of the story, and with the help of these key points, we will revise our story. Okay, let's start. First point is king in Scotland, and we will create a sentence. We will write, once upon a time there was a king in Scotland. Now, second point is name. We will write, his name was Robert Bruce. Number third point is many battles, and we will create a sentence, he fought many battles. Fourth point is hid himself. We will create a sentence, once he hid himself in a cave. Number fifth point is spider. We will create sentence, there was a spider in a cave. Now, number sixth point is trying. We will create a sentence, it was trying to reach its web. You can see here. Here is a web of spider. Now, number seventh point is failed. We will write, but it failed again and again. Now, number 8 point is reached. Yes, we will write, the spider reached its web in the 7th attempt. What we will write? We will write, it did not lose its heart. The spider reached its web in 7th attempt. Now, number 9 point is good lesson. Yes, we will create the sentence, the spider taught King Bruce a good lesson of hope and courage. Now, number 10 point is gathered army. Dear students, we will create a sentence, he left the cave and gathered his army. He left the cave and gathered his army. Now, number 11 point is successful. And we will write, this time he fought bravely and was successful in making his country free. And now number 12 point is moral. At the end we will write moral. What is the moral? Moral is try again. Dear students, with the help of pictures and main points, key points of the story, we have revised the story The King and the Spider. I hope you all are understood and enjoyed the story. So take care and Allah Hafiz.